Have you ever noticed that when someone yawns, you suddenly feel like yawning too? Why is yawning contagious? You're watching YTV, where we explore the fascinating reasons behind life's everyday mysteries. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a mind-blowing explanation. Yawning isn't just about being tired, it's actually linked to social bonding and empathy. When we see someone yawn, our brain unconsciously mirrors their action, making us yawn too. This is part of what scientists call mirror neurons, which help us connect and understand others' feelings. Interestingly, yawning contagion is stronger among people who are close to each other, like family and friends. The more empathetic you are, the more likely you are to catch a yawn from someone else. But there's another reason too: physiological synchronization. Yawning helps regulate brain temperature and keeps our minds alert. When you see someone else yawn, your body might take it as a cue to do the same, keeping you in sync with your social group. So, the next time a yawn spreads through the room, remember, it's not just tiredness, it's your brain, your empathy, and your body all working together. And if you found this fascinating, subscribe to YTV for more amazing answers to the world's biggest why questions.